Interesting times in the Jamaica Premier League, with the two teams at the top of the table being Mount Pleasant Football Academy along with Montego Bay United. So the two out-of-town teams are leading the Premier League. This is a big turnaround from a few years ago when the Casafa teams consistently dominated the top of the Premier League. As it is right now, on North Coast and West Coast dominate the Jamaica Premier League, at least for the time being. And looking at the squad of both Mount Pleasant and Montego Bay United, man for man, these are probably the two deepest and best squads in the entire league. And they are where they are on merit. The reality is, though, for this format, topping and coming second in the league right now don't mean they will finish first and second at the end of the season. But that discussion about the format of the Jamaica Premier League is for another time.